Hello guys, this is DDK Dish Kitchens and Recipe Books. Today it is lunch hour right now on Sunday, and I thought we had some leftover cold cuts, some turkey cold cuts, really good turkey cold cuts, but I get my turkey cold cuts and all my cold cuts actually at Fresh Time. They really have really good cold cuts and very reasonable. But since we had this leftover turkey, I thought, well, why not add some gravy to it and put it over a hoagie bun and have a delicious hot turkey sandwich. That's exactly what I did. Now here's what I use to make the gravy. Just do the cheap gravy. It's cream of chicken soup. Now you're only going to use probably about, a half a cup of this. And this is about a pound of turkey cold cuts, sliced, all right? And then you're gonna add celery seed to it. And you're gonna add a little bit of dill. You're gonna add a little bit of dry powder poultry gravy, about tablespoon. And then you're gonna add a little bit of poultry seasoning. That's about a quarter of a teaspoon. Then you're going to add about a half a cup to 3/4 of a cup of half and half milk. And then you're going to stir that all together and simmer it for about 10 minutes or so. And then you're going to add the sliced turkey sandwich meat. Now you're going to cut the sandwich meat in thirds so that way you can eat it easier and you don't have to really basically use a knife. You just use a fork because it's very tender. It's sandwich meat, so you're not using, it's thinner already, it's not chunky. Then you're going to cook that gravy, like I said, for simmer about 10 minutes. You're going to add the turkey, and then you're going to simmer for about another 5 or 6 minutes and serve it over your favorite bread. Now today I served it over really, really soft, moist hoagie, sesame seed hoagie buns. But it will make a delicious sandwich on anything. Add some cranberries to it, add a nice veggie, or serve it over mashed potatoes or any kind of bread, or just eat it just over rice if you would like. This is another quick lunch. I hope you love this lunch for today on Sunday, the 30th of June. I will see you back again for our next video. This is DDK Recipe Books, author John Ayanos. You can order them straight direct from the author at 612-859-3270 or at divadish67@gmail.com. Send me a note, send me a message, send me a text. Get a hold of me. Gotta go for now. Gotta eat this lunch. Bye.